to Lord Shiva and his Devi. Even friends like me have no admittance into that room. After conclusion of 11 nights puja to beloved Baba, he was about to bring beloved Baba, whom he worshipped, to the ground floor and was getting down the stairs. He observed a big bright aura of white dazzling light with a blue ring inside it, emitting sparkling red rays. In the outer ring, getting down the stairs ahead of him, two stairs down below him. Baba gave darshan standing above the aura, telling, "You need not carry me down, I myself will go down." The whole of his body was permeated bliss and happiness. Later, Baba was installed on the wall in the ground floor puja room. Then he felt sorrow and gloom, repenting that he committed a mistake in getting down beloved Baba without allowing Baba to stay in the first floor sanctuary amidst Shiva and Parvati. Later, he was still gazing on beloved Baba on the wall. Baba, in human form, came out of the photo, tapped him on his shoulder, and smiled at him and disappeared. This happened nearly 15 days ago at 11 p.m. in the night. This day I received your family letter from Meherazad dated 25/11/80. I met the collector of our district and requested him to recommend my name to the government for the appointment of the public prosecutor once again. He promised to consider favorably. I believe beloved Baba would bless me in this attempt. I will be highly obliged to you, dear brother. Kindly give a reply to my friend Sri Jakkala Subramanyam, Siddhanti Padana, Post Office, Krishna District, Andhra Pradesh, with my pranams to you and other members of beloved Baba's Mandali, yours brotherly. With love, Sri Nageswarao Naidu, dated 1/12/80, Advocate, Pustumbada, Maslipatam, Andhra Pradesh.
Good. Thank you. My reply? My reply is here. Copy is here.
To this letter, Brother Kirich replies thus. From Meherabad, 13th December 1980. Meherazad. C. Nageswarao Naidu, Advocate, Ustumbada, Maslipatam is addressed. My dear brother, Sri Nageswarao Naidu, Jai Meher Baba. I have with me your very interesting letter of 1st December 1980, giving all the details of the experience of dear brother Sri Jakkula Subramanyam Siddhanti, glorifying our mighty beloved Lord Avatar Meher Baba. I shared your letter with all Meherazad Mandali, and we were deeply touched to note the experience had by Sri Subramanyam Siddhanti. Thank you, dear brother, for having taken all the trouble to let us know the details. You have no idea how these innumerable experiences, now brought to our ears from different quarters of the world, warm our hearts and help us to live our lives from day to day, glorifying beloved Avatar Meher Baba. May our beloved Baba's love blessings be on you and yours evermore. May your efforts be rewarded by beloved Baba's grace, and may your cherished desires, which have his pleasure, be fulfilled by his blessings. All Meherazad Mandali join me in sending you and your dear family best wishes and very loving regards. Yours sincerely, Irich. I have sent postscript. I have sent a letter to your friend as desired by you.
You have written a letter to
Yeah,
Siddhanta
Siddhanti.
also.
Yeah.
This is the letter written by Brother Irich to Jakkula Subramanyam, friend of Sri Nageswara Naidu. Maharajad, 13th December 1980. Addressed to Jakula Subramanyam Siddhanti, Pedana Post Office, Krishna District, Andhra Pradesh. My dear brother, Jai Meher Baba, how blessed you are that you have had the experience of beloved Baba's physical presence and having heard him say, I am Shiva. All Maharajad Mandali of beloved Baba noted in detail your experience as informed by our dear brother Sri Nageswara Rao Naidu. Our hearts rejoiced to note beloved Baba appearing to you in his physical form on two different occasions. I salute your love for the Lord Avatar Meher Baba, who is the Lord of Lords. I am enclosing one printed copy of my circular letter dated November 25th for your information and for you to share with others in your area. All Maharajad Mandali join me in sending you your loving regards and greetings of Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. Yours brotherly Irish.
Right, thank you. So our session is over now. It's for you to tell us. Wasn't it a good one? Yeah.
You look like the president behind all those microphones.
Yeah, about to be shot at.
Not killed.
Yeah.
Just wounded.
No,
Just wait.
well, it is destined for any president to be shot at.
Yeah.
Nowadays, it's known as the Kali Yuga, or you may call it the barrel Yuga.
The barrel?
Barrel of the gun or the barrel of the pistol. Yeah. That is the price. A president or the head of the department or the head of the...
They shot at the Queen.
Pardon?
They shot at the Queen the other day.
Well, it's not surprising nowadays. Such things are very common nowadays, you see.
When will it all end?
Pardon?
It is outside India.
Yeah, it's outside India.
We are all peace-loving people.
Yeah, that's true. We love to be in pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S. What happened with you? How come you are here? You didn't go?
I couldn't get the car serviced.
What?
There were three other cars ahead of us. So I said, next week.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So all the programs have been cancelled and you all are here. We thought that we'll have a nice quiet time with Andhra people and all that. See, Suryanarayan, it's not destined. Yeah.
Satyanarayana, not Suryanarayana.
Let him be Suryanarayan because we need Surya now.
Right. When will the tour of Mr. Bill Lepage will be materialized in Andhra?
Tour of Bill LePage?
Yes.
No, he never forgets.
Yeah.
He's always reminding me of
How
it.
to forget?
No, but
Already in the next advent.
do one thing.
Next Advent.
You know, if you don't wish to be an Andhraite in your next incarnation, finish off with it.
Otherwise we have to carry those impressions.
So,
I can see I'll have to do it.
yeah. If you want to come back, it's all right. It
Because
is,
it is so clear, the itinerary has been fixed, everything has been circulated.
And he-
Finally it is done.
yeah, it's dropped every time. See how it is.
Similarly, Irwin Luck and Light, their program.
So you can't depend upon these Westerners, you know. Only Easterners you can depend upon nowadays. Yeah.
Actually, Mr. Yere, I have brought a message from most of the Andhras.
Yeah.
They are feeling dearth of some news from Maharaja. There should be a link, a coordination effort from Maharajas to all lovers in India, especially Andhra. I am talking about Andhra people. There should be a coordination and effort. That is, when Baba was there, he used to send some family letters. Similarly, after dropping the body, we have depth of news. What is happening in Maharaja, we don't know. except through our Avatar Meher. Recently, IV Juice passed away on 9th September. That we came to know. After 1 month only, we came to know such news. Elizabeth Patterson passed away very recently. These are all we came to know through only to our magazine.
You
So
know,
we request.
your magazine is a Telugu magazine.
Telugu magazine, correct.
Yeah. And you know how India is, well, it goes slow nowadays in India. There's a go slow movement, isn't it? In all big complexes and concerns and all that. Everything it goes slow. So if you were to contribute to English magazines like Neti Neti, The Glow and this, and you get fresh news, you see. It is not possible for us to write letters to every individuals or to states and all
No,
that.
not that.
Then-
Not individual letters.
Who is going to write now? I can't see, I can't write.
Maharaja, you have to nominate somebody to write
We
some
nominate
newsletter.
you.
What is happening at Maharaja, so that all people will,
What is
will
happening
have a
here?
chance to know.
The happenings are there that we sit together and talk about him, remember him. That's what is happening.
For example, you are telling about the Lord Siva's letter from Machilipattam.
And now it is the duty of that man to share with others. Why did he not share? Should we make a copy and share with you all? How is it possible? He may not like it.
We suggest only a newsletter from Maharaja, fortnightly or monthly.
We may continue to send them the reports that header and others write to Avatar Meher. At the most we can see that. That's Meherabad news.
We like some news from Maharaja, what is happening, so that we are all eager to know.
You see, the thing is that what is happening and you are eager to know, we appreciate that. But the trouble is, who is to let you know?
You have to devise ways and means.
We can't think of ways and means nowadays. You know, we are getting old, we are getting senile.
So you have to pick up young men then, and you
Yeah,
have to replace them.
then you nominate them,
No,
now.
who am I to nominate? Who am I to
Then
nominate?
who is going to, because you are the mouthpiece for Andhra, so nominate somebody.
That will be a dictatorship then. No, that should not be. It should be on a democratical basis. We are run by government, democratical government. So we suggest it is only a humble session placed before.
But this is not a government, brother. This is not an office. This is nothing. Here is a hospital where the doctor of doctors says, gradually efface yourself. And you want us to come in the limelight. How is it possible? It's contradictory. He wants us to efface ourselves. And how is it possible for us to raise our heads and say, look here, blow the trumpet, this has happened at Mehrazad, remember, this is happening. It's
No,
a-
not that, not
so
in
that-
that way. We will be happy to know what is so and so Dar has come, Brahmajan has come.
Not
So
exactly.
much, not that.
What is actually happening, that means that we are all sitting here, you are saying something and we are hearing something, people are coming in, not in that sense exactly.
Look here.
But you see that some interesting news,
Yeah.
you will be hearing some interesting incidents, some interesting news from outside foreign countries.
All right.
So many lovers are coming from different parts of the world to this place. They will be narrating so many. Supposing you pick out of them some very interesting, say once in 2 months, just in the shape of a newsletter, such information will be communicated.
It is impossible.
Not to
If you
individual
expect
centers.
anything from us, it's impossible.
Not
Let
the
youngsters
individual,
do it
but to
now.
one center, there is Andhra Meher Center. In turn, they will
Yeah.
circulate it.
No, but once in 2 months, you can just, some of you can visit over here.
Yeah, and pick up things,
Eyewitness what's happening here and just,
report.
Eyewitness news.
yeah,
Eyewitness news.
No, the thing is that regularly, to be now serious, regularly news is being relayed from here. Not by us, because it's impossible. We can't do it now. We can't see it, we can't write it. We have no time also. Another thing is that if we want to find time, we can find time, but there's no urge. Another thing is that it is being circulated. The only drawback is that you all should know where has it been circulated, who receives the news. You all must have strong urges to know, you see. Just as, rodents are there, they are there in the fields, but they come. As soon as we have something on our shelf that eatable, sure enough, there is a little mouse there. Why? Because it has the urge to know, to find out where the food is. So also if you have that strong urge and that develop that small instinct of smelling where the news is, so you'll get the news.
That's exactly what is done now.
So that's how you all are
We
here.
are expecting that food is here.
Yes, sir. Francis has to say.
Us can have got all the books.
Dr. Glow is there.
Yeah, have you all got all the books and the pamphlets? Francis wants to know
What books?
on Baba.
They're writing fish and meat.
Magazines.
What about stuff in your house?
Books we are having. We are having all Baba books. We are having all Baba books.
You sure you have all those subsequent?
The subsequent ones that have come out.
Books, the latest books probably we might not be having it.
The silent word.
The silent word is there. Then you have got the letters. Have you got the letters? New book that has come up. Letters.
Mandala letters.
Yeah.
We have the
I have
latest.
seen the other
I
way.
have seen it.
Yeah.
Only yesterday.
Then there are
We
other
come here
books
and
out
try
there.
to take as new books that are available.
No, the thing is that to be serious, that every 2 months, no, every 2 months. Yeah, 2 months, 2.5 months, 1.5 months, letters are going out. Now, Bill LePage is the group head over there, Francis is there of Avatars Abode, and they send out letters called newsletters from Australia. So please make it a point to send a send a copy
We
to
are
them.
getting only one South California. One newsletter we get.
Definitely send
No, that is only the programs you might be
programs
getting.
and-
Yeah, but here there is a real newsletter. So send all the old issues also to them and then make them a
I can
regular.
give you a
Yeah.
copy of the old issues.
All right. Then what happens? Do you all contribute for the Glow? Subscribe for the Glow?
Yes, we are getting Glow.
So Glow, all right. Then there is a thing called Friends, the Friends of the Trust. This, what we do, it is impossible for us to cope up with the crowd now. The people there, all over the world, we can't. We don't have the facilities for that. So there is a little group that has come up saying that we will be the friends of the trust and we will see that the information is disseminated. So we say, you all that you have to do is to send anything that you wish people to know, Baba world to know, send it to us and we will see that it goes out. So they do it. So there is known as the Friends of the Trust. Balaji, have you got that? Give the recent one. Give them the recent one and then you'll have the news. See how it is? So contribute for that. Subscribe for that. It's a cheap thing.
And so the trust is at Australia.
No, that Australia is called the newsletter.
Newsletter.
Avatars Abode newsletter. Now this is called the Friends of the Avatar Meher Baba Trust, circular letter number 8, September 9. See how it is?
It comes from.
New York,
From
Washington.
Washington.
here it is Washington.
Acha.
Address is there, everything is there. Here, take it. Keep it with you. So then there is another, which is the other one that comes out? Neti Neti.
I have seen that.
Yeah, that is called Nagar News. You see? So yeah, it's like that. So it is. They are trying, the youngsters are there, they are all helping us and they are doing it. Peter Booth is there, Gary Kleiner wants to have another magazine now from the, it's like the Economic Times, you see. Like that, from his point of view, he's going to have another magazine, the economic side of, yeah, this is Avatars Abode extra copy. See, July 1981. So such things are there. There are things, provided you want to ferret it out.
We must know it, isn't it?
Don't put the blame on us.
No question of blaming. It is only sharing. It is only sharing.
So these are the things. So Neti is there. Balaji, have you got any extra copy of Neti? Yeah, give at least let them know the addresses, then they will find out. Fight out their way to get the things. And another thing is that you people belong to the railway department, you all have got railway passes and all that. You all can come and visit time and again. So that's how it is. If you all expect us to go there, we don't have the urge. Really, we can't leave the place, you see. So it is better that you all come.
One person every month.
Yeah,
Select.
In fact, we can't expect, and we should not expect you also. Not always, but at least once in a way. Not always. If you come once, second time you need not come.
Yeah, once in a way,
Once-
somebody
once
will
you
come.
can give an opportunity for us to-
Bill is thinking of it now.
From his side,
Yeah, it is all the same thing. Same thing happened with Kankhal people. They came. Did you all go to Kankhal? Yeah, see how it is. They came, they asked us and all that sort of thing. But it is impossible. So Jal and others they wanted somebody who had seen Baba. But I am saying that if you wish sincerely and long for him, he is there. He has assured us. Why not give a trial to that? can create the atmosphere amongst yourself. Why have that complex that no, we don't know, there must be somebody from the Mandli. Who is the Mandli? Mandli is the one who loves him, who wants to obey him, who wants to keep company with him. So he is the Mandli.
So true.
So
You
then-
see, when Brother Adi was in the physical form, he used to visit all the places.
Well, Adi had the urge to visit. From his childhood, he wants to be a driver. He wanted to be an engine driver. He wanted to be a pilot and all that. So he had that trait.
Because if you say no urge, there is no answer to it.
Yeah, it's a fact. It's a fact.
So the
No,
matter
but
ends there itself.
he's made up of that.
No further
He
discussion
wanted
over
to.
it.
He wanted all these things. So and Baba gave him that. So that's how it is. You know, when Baba wanted to take me to the States and I refused, and he says, "Get out," and I said, "It is better that I go away from you." You know that story?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time.
Yeah, so that's how it is. There are people who are made of certain things, and there are people who are made of certain other fibers and qualities. It's all right, Balaji, if you don't have...
Designed by him.
We put it in the
Pardon?
field to Noshema.
Designed by him.
Yeah, it is designed by him only.
The Noshema and Patana
It's not actually the desire of individual one. This is the desire and wish expressed by not only by lovers, even from others who have heard of Nar Baba's name also. Naturally, because, for example, other institutions, Ramakrishna Paramhansa and other things are there. So they say so and so has come from so and so institution. Like that, people who have heard and know much about Avatar Meher Baba in different nook and corner of Andhra Pradesh, they naturally ask us, has anybody come from Maharaja or Meheraba? So the disciples are not like that, they ask.
Disciples
Not
are very
actually.
lazy, tell them.
That means lovers of Baba.
Yeah, disciples, tell them if they are disciples, then this time the avatar created a little group of people who are very lazy. They don't want to go out.
Not that. So that's out of their curiosity.
I know,
they ask.
yeah. But the thing is that
People,
it's
they
not
expect
possible.
like that.
How many, do you expect Pendu to go out now?
You can't expect.
Aloba goes out. Aloba in his own way tells you people about his dreams and this and that. Do you wish that he should go out like that and telling people? No. It's better that it is here, it's nice, a homely atmosphere is here, Meher Azad, freedom is here, freedom of speech, freedom of action. It's more than democracy, you see. Here, Meher Azad it is. So you be here, feel at home, it's your home, come every now and then. And Baba has blessed you all to be employees of the railway department, so you all have not only passes for yourself, but passes for your families and friends. And that too all the time, till you die, I think, isn't it? Yeah. So till the very end, you see, even, so you can come every now and then, but the trouble is you all don't get leave. Just as you all have got the facility, we have got the facility, not that we don't have means to travel, not that I am crippled or anything, but still just as you have the facility to come here and it is not possible for you all to come. Does that mean that you don't want to come? Does that mean that? No, you want to come, but there is, all the facilities are at your hand, it's there, but unfortunately you cannot. So also unfortunately I cannot. Although the facilities are there, all facilities are there. Suppose if I were to tell anybody of you all, I want to come, you all do everything for me to go there, you see. But unfortunately, I want to, but unfortunately I can't. That's the thing. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. That doesn't mean that having the facilities you don't want to come. You'd want to come every now and then. You want to come every week if you want. You have the facility, but you can't. So also we can't.
So Mr. Manikyalro has to create some people that come here every month and see, get the information, pass it on.
I am a retired man, I can now
Then
tell.
you can come.
Yeah, come. But the trouble is that his health is not good.
He's all right, he's all right.
See, the natural phenomena, the people who are connected to
It's
Meher
natural.
centers and Meher Baba lovers, individuals in groups, they expect like that.
Yes.
So that expression we have just carried out here, nothing else.
Yeah, it's true.
Of course, you have given this answer a long time back. There is no need to put the same question from our side. It is not from our side, this is the job of others.
They
who are
ask again, did you put this question,
this suggestion.
pose this problem to Mr. Eric? And what was his reply they may ask?
Yeah. I understand what you say, yeah. They have never asked you to do that.
No. Especially Mr. Lakshminarayan Rao and Dr. R. Krishna Rao. They are the people they ask me
They
to
came
put
here, they came here.
You also asked Amartya they will become.
No, but they did come here. Before you came, they came. Now you're caught.
Can I say something?
Yes, sir.
We
are all free. You see, this is Meher Azad. Freedom. Freedom of speech.
freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Let us hear something else.
Yeah.
Well, we live in
Instead of
a
discussing these things, which
No, but
cannot be
listen.
fulfilled.
Let us listen.
we live in a very isolated part of the world, in New Zealand, and no one really, apart from Bill, has come to New Zealand. For 10 years, we mightn't see anyone. So we have to develop Baba inside us, and that is very strong in many of us. And we feel his presence, even though he's not there, and we feel the Mandali's love with us. It's there, strong, but they don't come, and we don't demand that they come. We won't ask of them because they're doing such wonderful service here. You couldn't stretch them, they would burst. We don't want ears to burst.
Who said that?
You're
Jai
very
Baba?
fortunate to live in India.
Oh, it's so good of you, Marie, to cite us. She's from New Zealand also.
But it's true. I mean, if you don't have Baba people around you, you create the Baba love itself. Exactly what Anthony said. You just share what you have.
Yeah, share amongst yourselves, and Baba's presence is there all the time.
Right.
Now it is for you all to stand on your feet, yeah, and face the whole situation. Yeah, take it in your hands. Don't depend upon anybody. The most important thing Baba says after he drops his body is his man form has passed away, but he continues to live. As Francis has put in his arti there, he is what? He is the truth and truth's body as Meher Baba. The truth's body has been dropped. The truth continues to be. So if you continue to share the truth, his presence is there all the time. So now what you have to do is you have to become firm. You have to be steady on your knees and feet. So then you can face the world, have that conviction and continue to do your work. Don't depend upon anybody. Baba is for those who remember him, love him, want to obey him. He's there. His presence is there also. But time and again, come here to take the sniff, take the scent of where he was, where his body is resting and all that. That's important. Come time and again, but face the situation. Yeah. Yeah, people ask. We have been hearing from the West also, same thing from Australia and other places, Europe, asking, pestering us, come, but all right, we'll come. We are unable to come, there's no urge to come, and all that. It's not an excuse, but it's something to reply. We know that it's not possible for us to go. But that doesn't mean that we will never be able to, we will never go. We can't be so presumptuous to say that. It's impossible, because tomorrow some situations will arise, Baba will give us a tight kick on our backs, get out from here and go. So that's a different thing. On our own we can't say anything. But at present the situation is that we can't. Alright, now let us change the subject because Raghuvalu is fed up of this.
From the talk we have to gather that everybody must be prepared to do something to his mind and see that the information dissipated to respect to centers or respect to corners in their own way.
Yeah.
Yes, people are doing it. And for that, for getting an authentic information and all that, it is good that some people try to come over here now and then again, and as he is ready to give the information, he is ready to radiate all these things. And it's good, he cannot be expected to go out.
That's right.
Quite realize.
That's right. There are people who can go out from here. So you have to just instigate them. Yeah. Don't ask me. You all are staying there, you find out. If I were to say anything, then again it will be a terrible thing. It is for you all, you say. It's for you all to find out. Tell them, coax them, please come there, make them, tempt them with something, good food, good race, this, that. Tell them that you'll give them curds and all this. Yeah, you have to tempt them.
But Neeraj, we want your aid in guiding. No? Therefore, it is good that somebody comes. Your presence here is very much necessary for people
So
coming
there are
from
others, tell
far
them,
and
tell
wide.
them. Yeah.
But you will also try to aid us,
Of course,
guiding
but
us
the thing
by
is
sending
that
somebody.
my saying it, is like putting pressure on somebody. So that I don't want.
It's not that pressure, don't. You give out so that we may approach them.
Yeah.
That is all. We don't say that Yeraj
Now,
has asked us to go
yeah.
to you on request. We don't say that. But we'll try to find out, locate the person and try to take advantage of it. And naturally when, supposing in Andhra, somebody coming from outside attracts you people also. That will be an occasion where we can be able to tell them, he is the person that's coming there, he is telling about something about Baba and all that. And therefore, that would give a rise an occasion for us.
I have tried my best, like Rick Chapman came. So you know what I told Rick Chapman?
Very
This
good.
time he came. I said, Rick, I can't tell him that you should go. I said, Rick, you are now married. You have got your wife now. Cheryl has not seen Baba World. Why don't you take her round once to Andhra and all that? So they are trying to think about it now. Maybe next time when they come, they'll make a tour there. They'll come.
I made a request to him. He said, I'll try to.
Yeah. So likewise, time and again I've been telling Bill to go there, go make it a point to go there and all that sort of
Made up
thing.
his mind.
And apart from that, this man received a cable, the man who is sitting behind you, my cousin. He received a cable, Sam. Yeah, Sam. He received a cable from the States wanting him. You received a cable? Yeah. A letter saying that please do come and write to us, we'll send you the tickets to the West. And this he refused.
No, we have also requested Shyam last year to visit our place.
So I don't know, now it is for you all. I can't put a pressure, you see. The thing is that I can't say that you must
You can
go.
also give pressure on him. You can only just leave it to him. That
Yeah, we leave it
our
to him.
humble request to him. Any hour of God. You cannot just request that. We cannot force anybody, you must come and even if we say that, nobody will come.
I know. And it is very disappointing when you all say and nobody goes. It is disappointing, it is frustrating. Like last time Bill did that. Bill depended upon Sam. Sam went out for some cruise or something like that. And so forth. It happened, they couldn't go. And it was all just...
Welcome, sir. February.
But Sam, I just realised Sam is going on a ship, aren't you?
I'm trying to, yes.
I mean, otherwise I was thinking of February. Next February, just after Amatisi, if it was convenient.
In case nothing develops, then I won't mind joining you.
Good, because I was thinking of asking you. I could do it then.
It's between you all. I don't want to
it's all right
say.
there. It's
There is another man sitting there at the back. That fellow, Robert Draper.
Robert Draper.
Yeah. And there is Peter Booth there, you see. Well, he has not come today. So these are the people, you see, youngsters. I can't say that Jal must go because he is now one of the trustees of Tameva Trust. He has got a lot of pressure and burden on his shoulders. But if he wants to, he is free to go. Yeah, he has his wife also who can speak very well. And if that lady who is sitting there, yes, Dolly, yeah. But then they don't want to speak out, you see. They don't want to say things and all that. What can I do? How can I force them?
The thought of being born in Andhra next lifetime has given me a fright. I'll definitely come.
Not only, but it's a good thing to be born in Andhra, there's nothing wrong, but you'll have to eat chilies. that thought should, yeah, because he cannot tolerate even the slightest bit. That's why I said, there's nothing wrong with Andhra. I love Andhra so much because it's a nice fertile spot. It's beautiful, it's beautiful.
Without chilies.
No, but there is no...
Baba has found out the same thing in Andhra to Katta Subbara's garden.
Yeah.
For, in spite of giving special instructions, the cook forgot to, eliminate the chilies.
Yeah.
He has added chilies in the dal.
Yeah.
Three days continuously. Baba had to go without food for 3 days. Everybody has taken special interest and particular interest. Same thing did happen for 3 days.
Okay, now let us stop this. Now let us remember him. In our debate, we are forgetting him and thinking about ourselves. Yeah. Yes.
First, you tell us something, ours is always there.
What should I tell you?
You tell something first. You feed us, then we'll say something. First, you.
What should I say now? You see, this debate, has driven out all good thoughts from my mind. Now we have to sit in silence for at least 2-3 hours, then we can
Talk about love within, developing love within.
Oh, that love within. Yeah, it is. Anything that you have to ask or anything, ask something, make me talk. On my own I can't talk. That's my drawback.
Erich, could you tell us a story that you were about to narrate before? I've never heard it.
What story?
About how Baba told you, you felt that you should go. Do you remember you started it? You said that different people have heard it. I've never heard it.
About America. Baba wanted you to go to America. You didn't want to go. Baba wanted you to go. I've never heard it either.
But others have heard it now. It will be a repetition. Have you heard it?
No, sir.
No.
We have tape, you can hear.
Yes, mothers, because she has asked her.
And Chippin Venandi.
We'll tell you after they go on Sunday. Remind me on Sunday. You see, because they are here for something else now. They want something different and all that sort of thing. So what should we begin? I'm so blank today. Have you got anything to ask? Have you all got anything to ask?
We are only here to learn something.
Well, then if you all are here to learn something, then let me learn also something from you all. See how you all have been, you see, in spite of the stress and strain of so many years. You all have, adhered to Baba and kept on your hands on his daman and stuck to him through thick and thin.
He's not leaving us, that's all.
Yeah.
That we can say.
That's true. He's not leaving you all because he cannot leave you all because you all have got hold of him. Yeah. He is there always, no doubt about it. But then it is for you to cling on to him, and you all have done it. So that's the reason why I feel so touched by the people who are still holding on to him. But there have been many variations in our family. There are many who have somehow or other, instead of holding on to his daman with two hands, they were holding on to him, but the other hand was free, so they started holding on to somebody else, you see. And that's how there is little a vitiated atmosphere there in Andhra. But that also is his, that's his will also. Huh?
It is said that there is a setback to that also.
Whatever it is, that's his wish and all that. But what I am surprised is that there are people, in spite of it all, wanting to know whether we should hold on to Baba now that he has left his body. Who is there to guide us and all that. In spite of it all, they write to me now and then, not every time, not from you people, no. But there are people who have seen Baba. He got just one opportunity and he's there, but there are people who have been with him. Yeah. Like Dhake Phalkar.
Yes.
You see that? I'm talking about that.
Yes.
How much pain it must be to us. He was with us, he was one of the Mandali and all that sort of thing. And he calls himself that he was so close to Baba and all that. And then he does like that. Why should he do like that? Unless Baba wants him to do that. Yeah. So
Raju yesterday must have had a talk with you? Mr.
No.
Raju yesterday has come.
From Visakhapatnam. He was here.
He was here, but
he was closely connected to Chaitanya ji for some time.
Yeah.
And later on it seems, I didn't question him directly, but I heard that there was and sat back and he fell out.
Yeah, it's
Similarly, Dr. R.P. Rao, Haryana, he also spoke very few.
yeah. But these are the people you see. Well, we can't say anything against them or in favor of what they are doing. All that we feel is hurt. We feel hurt and we feel sad about it all. You know. It appears as if on whom we thought of depending, they have let us down. It's like that.
It's nothing but stabbing in the back.
They have become total strangers to us now, it seems. Yeah. Those who were so close to
People
us.
say who have seen Baba, went to Baba, had his Baba's embrace several times. They say so many stories.
Stories,
take it so much.
yeah.
And now they say this means there is no meaning in it.
Yeah.
It's only who can answer means who can teach means Baba only can teach. Baba
Yeah.
alone will teach such
Yeah.
persons. No, you can't, as you say.
So that's the reason why I say never depend upon anybody. All that you have to depend is upon him only,
Baba.
him alone. He is the pillar. Kutub, you know what kutub means? Is the Sufi word for perfect master. Sadguru we call it. Kutub means the hub, the central pivot.
Central.
That's why it is named Kutub. Otherwise, because it's the central pivot, you see, of the whole universe. So that's how it is.
Baba says to remember me constantly and wholeheartedly. So kindly enlighten us how best we can remember him constantly and wholeheartedly.
Well, first you have to begin, you see, remembering him constantly and wholeheartedly, he says that. But before remembering him constantly, at least remember him for some period in one's life, you see, for some time, some hours and all so forth. So begin with remembering him. We can't remember him constantly, that is fact. I can tell you by my own experience. I can't remember him constantly unless and until you people help me to remember him constantly by asking me about him. You follow what I say?
Yes, sir.
So one of the ways is to be in the midst of people who want to know about him and tell them about him. Or do one thing, if you cannot have that atmosphere or environment, then make it a point to remember him early in the morning, first thing when you rise from your bed, and the last thing when you retire, just before you go to sleep, remember him. Go on remembering him like that. So that's how we begin to remember him twice a day, then remember him thrice a day, 4 times a day, like that. When everything is all right around us. But when everything goes topsy-turvy, it's such a great blessing when it happens like that. So we remember him so often then. Yeah. So there should be either, but you don't want to face that situation, that we should not face such situations, you see, such tragedies or crises coming in our life. That makes us remember him very often. But we don't want that. So it's best that without the crisis, we should try to remember him to avoid the crisis. Yeah, think of that. Then because we are always frightened about facing crisis. So best is, well, when everything is all right, we have to begin with remembering in the first thing and last thing. But then try to get that, you see, behind your mind, that, well, instead of facing the crisis and then remembering him, it is best to remember him now to avoid the crisis. So that's how we can remember him more often than twice a day. And then go on remembering him and all that. Anything, you see, that makes you, you see a picture, or you see somebody, you see, or some suffering there, or somebody, you see an old man walking on the street, you have read Baba literature, his ways and things, you see, that he had a liking for the old people. Oh, if Baba had seen him, he would have contacted him, he would have given him some food. Anything that appears to you or that appeals to your mind, well, should bring a memory of Baba. So if that way you can remember him, because Baba has said that anything that is created, or everything, the purpose of creation is, whole creation remains as a constant reminder to remember him, provided you make use of those reminders. That's how it is.
It's constantly, it's all, but wholeheartedly, not only constantly, but also wholeheartedly.
So when it becomes constantly, then it becomes wholeheartedly. Otherwise it doesn't.
It becomes unknowingly.
Yeah.
Automatically.
Automatically is wholeheartedly. Yeah. That means when you don't apply your mind, just as now to avoid the crisis we should remember him. constantly. So that is not wholeheartedly. It's with a string attached to avoid the crisis. But then that we have to use it. Yeah. Yeah. In order to become wholehearted remembrance. That's what happens to us. Wholehearted remembrance is not an easy thing, you see. Yeah. But we have to put our heart, we have to train our heart. Baba says that when mind is at rest, then heart begins to work. But when will we give mind rest? Mind doesn't want to have rest. Mind is at work all the time. So that's what happens. So how to calm down the mind is to focus upon Him.
Sometimes a feeling comes in and uttering the name of Baba, in a routine way, is it all right?
Of course. It's a good thing to repeat His name, to remember Him. Everything is good. Anything
without a thought
without any effort.
Without a wish or
But,
thought attached.
yeah, but how can that happen unless and until you harness your mind into it? So you have to first discipline the mind. And then that's the next stage is that. Yeah. See what Baba had said. I think it was said, but it was it said there? No, it was in Hamir, UP he had said this. This is what happened at the time. I don't know whether I told you last time about it. What had happened was that when Baba came, Baba was giving the darshan during those fiery free periods, you see, yeah. So at one place he was there in North India somewhere, maybe Hamirpur district. So he was said, I have come once again in your midst. As usual he says that, yeah. I am the same ancient one. I have come once again in your midst. And the same message I give you again. Love God. Love me. So, well, people used to hear with pin drop silence. You have seen all that. Yes. But then there was one person in the crowd who stood up, you see, and put his hand. So Baba looked at him, says, Baba, how to love you? So then Baba looked at him, and that's why we get this rich food now today that I'm going to. So he says, how to love you?